Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 best studio monitors for music production available today. These are the speakers that can make or break your mix, translating your creative vision into something real. We've spent a ton of time listening, comparing, and really putting these through their paces. Choosing the right studio monitors is a deeply personal decision, influenced by technical performance and accuracy. From budget-friendly powerhouses to professional-grade workhorses, there's something here for almost every type of creator. Each monitor brings something unique to the table, and we'll be looking at everything from frequency response to build quality. Make sure to stick around until the end to see our number one pick. It might just surprise you. And don't forget to subscribe, comment with your thoughts, and check the links in the description below for the best deals on these products. Let's get into it. Kicking things off with a true icon in the studio monitor world, the Yamaha HS8. If you've spent any time in studios, chances are you've seen these distinctive white-coned woofers. The HS8 is known for its incredibly balanced sound signature. These monitors are designed to tell you the truth, warts and all. The frequency response is notably flat, crucial for making critical mixing and mastering decisions. Under the hood, the HS8 features an 8-inch cone woofer and a 1-inch dome tweeter. The woofer delivers a tight, controlled, low-end response that extends impressively deep. The tweeter provides clear and detailed high frequencies. The build quality of the HS8 is robust, with MDF cabinets designed to minimize unwanted resonances. Around the back you'll find essential room control and high-trim response controls. These switches allow you to compensate and achieve a more accurate sound. Reliability is another cornerstone of the HS8's reputation. These monitors are known for being workhorses, handling long studio sessions without faltering. So, who are the Yamaha HS8s for? They're perfect for professional studios and serious producers. If you're learning to mix, these will be unforgiving in the best way possible. Now, if there's any criticism, it's that their flat, honest sound might not be the most exciting for casual listening, but that's precisely their strength in a production context. Ultimately, the Yamaha HS8 stands as a benchmark for affordable professional monitoring. Its balanced sound, robust build, and unwavering reliability make it a go-to choice for countless producers, a truly solid start to our list. Next up we have the KRK Rokit 5G4, a studio monitor synonymous with home studios. The big appeal of the Rokit 5G4 is its combination of affordability and sound quality. They offer an engaging and inspiring sound that can make the music creation process more enjoyable. One standout feature is the onboard DSP-driven graphic EQ, offering 25 different EQ settings. The Rokit 5G4 features a 5-inch Kevlar aramid fiber woofer and a 1-inch Kevlar aramid fiber tweeter. The sound is often described as punchy, particularly in the low-mid frequencies. Build quality is solid for the price, with a front-firing bass port. In terms of connectivity, you get the standard combo XLR and 1/4-inch TRS inputs. KRK also includes high-density ISO foam pads with the G4 series. So, who is the KRK Rokit 5G4 for? It's an excellent choice for bedroom producers and DJs. They provide a significant step up from consumer speakers or headphones for mixing. Historically, some Rokit generations have been perceived as bass-heavy, but the G4 series offers more control. For the price, the KRK Rokit 5G4 offers a compelling package. The DSP-driven EQ, the front firing port, and that signature KRK sound make it a popular choice. It's a monitor that makes the production process fun and engaging. A true hero for the home studio enthusiast. Moving on to our third contender, the JBL 305P MkII, known for impressive clarity and a wide sweet spot. The standout feature is its image control waveguide, derived from their flagship M2 master reference monitors. This technology creates a very wide stereo image and a broad sweet spot. The clarity and detail in the stereo field are genuinely impressive. The 305P MkII uses a 5-inch woofer and a 1-inch neodymium tweeter. The low-frequency response is robust, thanks to JBL's slipstream low-frequency port design. In terms of overall sound signature, the 305P MkII aims for neutrality with an open and detailed top end. Build quality is quite good, with solidly constructed cabinets. On the rear panel, you'll find balanced XLR and 1/4-inch TRS inputs, along with a +4 dBu/-10 dBV input sensitivity switch. The JBL 305P MkII is an excellent choice for a wide range of users. Their clarity, impressive stereo imaging, and wide sweet spot make them well suited for mixing and mastering tasks. If there's a consideration, it's that they won't give you that sub-bass rumble that larger woofers can provide. However, for most applications the bass they do produce is accurate and sufficient. Overall, the JBL 305 PMK2 delivers exceptional performance for its price. The image control waveguide genuinely contributes to a superior listening experience. For anyone seeking clarity, a wide sweet spot and detailed stereo imaging, these JBLs are a strong contender. Now we're stepping into a different league with the Atom Audio A7X, renowned for exceptional detail and accuracy. The heart of the A7X is the X-Art tweeter, capable of reproducing high frequencies up to 50 kHz with incredible precision. Paired with this tweeter is a 7-inch woofer made from a composite of carbon fiber, ROA cell, and glass fiber. The A7X is designed for critical listening, providing a highly analytical window into your audio. Build quality on the A7X is top-notch with robust and acoustically optimized cabinets. Around the back you get a comprehensive set of controls for room acoustic adaptation. Connectivity includes both balanced XLR and unbalanced RCA inputs. The Atom Audio A7X is aimed at professional and semi-professional users who require a high level of detail and accuracy. They excel in genres where nuance and clarity are paramount. One thing to note is that the extreme clarity of the X-Art tweeter can be a double-edged sword. The price point of the A7X places it in a more premium category, but the investment is justified by the level of insight they provide. The detail retrieval, transient response, and overall accuracy are truly exceptional. In summary, the Atom Audio A7X is a masterclass in detailed audio reproduction. Its X-Art tweeter is legendary for a reason, creating a monitoring experience that is both highly analytical and incredibly revealing. For critical listening and professional applications, the A7X is a very hard monitor to beat in its class. Finally, for our top spot, we have the PreSonus Eris E5, known for its versatility and outstanding value. The Eris E5 strikes a fantastic balance between affordability, sound quality, and useful features. Featuring a 5¼ woven composite woofer and a 1-inch silk dome tweeter, the Eris E5 delivers a balanced and articulate sound. One of the strongest selling points is the inclusion of acoustic tuning controls on the rear panel. These tuning options allow users to adapt the Eris E5 to a variety of room environments. Build quality is respectable with vinyl laminated MDF cabinets and a front-ported design. Connectivity is comprehensive with balanced XLR, balanced 1/4-inch TRS, and unbalanced RCA inputs. The PreSonus Eris E5 is an ideal choice for beginners, hobbyists, and content creators. They provide a remarkably neutral and dependable platform for the price. For anyone just starting their journey into music production or audio work, the PreSonus Eris E5 represents incredible value. They prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to get monitors that can significantly improve your work. Their combination of sound quality, tuning options, and price point makes them a true king of versatility and value. So, there you have it, our top 5 studio monitors for music production. From the professional standard of the Yamaha HS8, the home studio hero KRK Rokit 5G4, the clarity champion JBL 305 PMKU, the detail master Atom Audio A7X, to the versatile value king PreSonus Eris E5. There's a monitor on this list to suit a wide range of needs and budgets. Choosing the right one really depends on your specific goals, your room, and the kind of sound you're looking for. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment with your favorite studio monitor from this list. And don't forget to check the links in the description below for the best deals on these products. Stay creative, keep making music, and we'll see you in the next video.